Question 6A. Name 6 places in which sacrifices are carried out in traditional African communities. So sacrifices are carried out under trees. Is the same point as in forests. When you talk about trees, the same point as forests. In caves, in riverbanks. When you talk about riverbanks, it's the same point as the seashore or lakeshore. Near rocks, that's point number 4. Point number 5, on mountains. 6, at waterfalls. 7, in shrines or the temple. 8, in homes. 9, at gravesites. Question 6B. Give 7 reasons why sacrifices are made in traditional African communities. 7 marks. So you have to give reason. Number 1, sacrifices are given. It is an act of worship. It enables the people to maintain good relationship with God. Or you can say it enables the people to maintain a good relationship with human beings. So also sacrifices are offered as a way of asking for protection, to appease ancestors. So when you're talking about appeasing spirits, appeasing God for any wrong done, it's just the same point. So you appease ancestors or you appease spirits or God for any wrong done. That's how you've explained that point. You can't say to appease ancestors. You've not explained. You've been told to explain. In recognition of God's power, it is a way of acknowledging God as a source of life. In order to seek God's intervention in times of trouble. As a thanksgiving to ancestors or spirits of God. To invite the ancestors or the spirits of God in the function. Or you invite the ancestor spirits of God in the event. And they also offer sacrifices to ask for blessings. Question 6C. State 7 roles of ancestors in the traditional African communities. 7 marks. So the roles of ancestors, they act as mediators between the living and God. Or you can say they act as intercessors between the living and God. They monitor what is happening in the community. Or they oversee. They bring punishment to the wrongdoers, or they bring also the same point as they bringing blessings to the righteous. They give instructions on what should be done by the members of the community, or you can say they give directions on what should be done by the members of the community. 5, they rebuke. Or they give warning of the coming punishment for the wrongdoers. So they give warning of the coming punishment for the wrongdoers, or they rebuke wrongdoers. They give guidance on how rituals should be conducted. Guidance on how rituals should be conducted. They are the custodians of community values, or you can say they are custodians of the community what? Traditions. Through the ancestors, the living have a sense of belonging, or the living have a sense of identity. They offer protection to the members of the community. They offer protection to the members of the community. They welcomed the dead into the spiritual world. Welcome the dead into the spiritual world. And they provide a reservoir of names.